A stampede occurred during the Mahakumbh Mela 2025 on the sacred banks of Sangam Ghat in Prayagraj early on Wednesday. Hi, my name is Sneha and you are watching the Free Press Journal. The incident has reportedly led to many deaths and numerous injuries. In today's video, I will tell you about how the stampede occurred, the location and precautions for pilgrims attending the Mahakumbh. The stampede occurred at Sangam Ghat, the site where the Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati rivers converge, known as the Triveni Sangam. This location is of immense spiritual significance to Hindus who believe that bathing in its waters during the Mahakumbh, particularly on auspicious days like Mauni Amavasya, cleanses sins and offers salvation or moksha. This year the Mahakumbh attracted an estimated 10 crore pilgrims. The Amrit Snan held on Mauni Amavasya is one of the most significant rituals of the event. The stampede took place at around 2 am on Wednesday amidst the massive crowds at Sangam and along the 12-kilometer stretch of Ghat set up for the Mahakumbh. Pilgrims were surging towards the sacred confluence of the Ganga and Yamuna rivers. Reports suggest that the crowd trampled on people who were resting along the river banks and a barrier designed to control the flow of people collapsed, contributing to the chaos. In light of the tragedy, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has issued a series of guidelines for pilgrims. Number 1. Devotees are urged to take dips at ghats near Ma Ganga and avoid heading towards the Sangam nose. Number 2. The government has set up multiple bathing ghats to help manage the crowd effectively. Number 3. Pilgrims are advised to follow all administrative instructions, cooperate with the arrangements and disregard rumors circulating during the event. For those planning to visit the Mahakumbh this year, here are some practical tips. Carry only essential items if travelling from a distant city, as no vehicles are allowed to the Ghat. Take a companion with you to help you. Public tents have limited space, some may end up staying on the streets, so be careful. Be informed about Mahakumbh to avoid problems. Verify any necessary permits required for access to pilgrim camps or restricted areas. Pack a comprehensive first aid kit including antiseptics, medications and other essentials. This stampede incident brings into focus the crowd management challenges at the Mahakumbh. In 2013, a devastating crowd rush at a railway platform during the Mahakumbh Mela claimed 42 lives and injured many others. This year, Uttar Pradesh is anticipating around 40 crore attendees over the 6-week festival. To prevent further incidents, the state government has implemented advanced technology and safety measures to manage the massive influx of pilgrims. However, the tragic stampede highlights the ongoing difficulty in ensuring the safety of such large gatherings. The government is doing its part, but sometimes the crowd also needs to take responsibility by staying calm and avoiding overcrowded areas. What do you think about this? Do you agree with me? Share your thoughts with us on the story in the comment section below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal. Thank you for watching.